When you go to the IELTS Whiz website, just up on the top menu on the right hand side is a button that says Members. Just click that button and that will take you to the login page. Here you enter your username and password and then just click on the login button. Once you log in, you'll be taken into the members area, and in the members area you can choose whatever skill that you would like to learn, but I recommend anyone who's starting out for the first time should go into the Getting Started area. In here we have videos that explain what the IELTS test is, and they also explain the different sections of the IELTS test. So once you click on one of these thumbnails, it will take you to a video lesson which explains, in this case, what the IELTS test is. And if you want to look at the next video, you can just click on the button to view the next video. And if you want to exit out of this area, you can go back to the Getting Started area, or even back out to the Members area. Also in the Getting Started series, we have videos that tell you about the band descriptors. Now the band descriptors are very important because the examiner uses these band descriptors to give you your score. So watching these videos is definitely worthwhile because they help you to understand how you were scored during the test. If you wanted to study Writing Task 1, just click on the Writing Task 1 icon. We have an introduction to Task 1, and we have different task types. So if you wanted to look at map diagrams for Writing Task 1, we have a video lesson, and then we also have a model answer which you can download. Just click on the button and we'll download that. And as you can see, we have an example question of a map diagram question for Writing Task 1, and also the model answer. Also, we have practice questions as well, so you can download those. And we'll have a look at a practice question. And this is a map diagram practice question for Writing Task 1, which you can use to practice writing your own Task 1 report. Now we'll go back to the members area. If you would like to look at Writing Task 2, just click on the Writing Task 2 icon, and we have an introduction to Writing Task 2, plus videos on how to write each of the different paragraphs that make up the essay, and also we have model answers and video lessons for each of the different essay types you may get during Writing Task 2. Once again, you can download model answers that you can use when you watch the video, and also we have practice questions to help you practice your Writing Task 2 essays. For Speaking Part 1, we have two videos. One shows you how to do Speaking Part 1. The other one shows you how to improve your score. We have videos for Speaking Part 2, how to do Part 2, how to improve your score, grammar, and also a video that explains linking words and phrases. So I'll just click on one of these thumbnails. As you can see, we have a video lesson, and also we have additional resources such as practice questions. For Speaking Part 3, we have a video that explains how to do Speaking Part 3, and once again we have some sample questions for you to use when you're practicing, and also some additional resources to help you with your speaking. If you want to learn about reading and practice this skill for the IELTS test, go into the reading area and just click on any of these different task types, and the video will explain how to do each of the different task types. Plus we also have practice exercises and answer keys, so you can check why a specific answer was given for each of the questions during the reading tasks. For listening, once again, we have videos that explain each of the different task types. We also have an audio file, so you can open the audio file, click on play, and you can listen to the audio. And when you do that, you need to download the practice exercise, which we'll download now. And as you can see, we have we're labeling a diagram for this practice exercise for this specific task type, and we have the answers as well. So you can practice each of the different task types that you may get in the listening test. Also, we have a video called Test Day Advice that explains what you should do on the day of your test, and also a checklist that you can download to make sure you have everything on the day of your test. We also have an area that we call resources, and these are additional resources. For example, we have a planner that you can use when you're watching the Getting Started series, and here's the Test Day Advice checklist. Go back into resources, and as you can see, if you want to find any additional resources for each of the 4 skills in the test, just click on one of these thumbnails. Once you come into this area, you'll find sample questions for each of the different sections of the IELTS test, plus there's a PDF file that shows you how to use linking words and phrases. And also we have a video on the phonemic chart that shows you how to practice and improve your pronunciation. We also have a copy of the speaking band descriptors. And this is the same for each of the different skills. For example, in writing task 2, we have model answers for all the essay types and also practice questions, as well as some other resources such as linking words and the writing task 2 band descriptors. As you can see, the IELTS Whiz members area is extremely comprehensive, and there's everything you need to help you study for the IELTS test and help you to get ready. If you're searching for something specific, like writing task 1, for example, you can just enter some keywords into the search field, and this will show you all the resources for writing task 1. As you can see, the IELTS Whiz members area is extremely comprehensive, and we have everything in one place that you need to prepare for the IELTS test.